In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Hotels.com. If you're seeing prices in a currency that isn't familiar, don't worry. Hotels.com usually picks a currency based on your region or the version of the site you've landed on. The good news is you can switch it quickly, and the desktop website is the most reliable place to do it. Start by opening your browser and going to Hotels.com. Once the home page loads, look toward the very top of the page near the header. You should see a currency label like USD, PHP, or EUR, and sometimes a small country flag icon next to it. That label is your shortcut. Click the currency or the flag to open a drop-down. You'll see a list of available currencies and often countries or site versions as well. Choose the currency you prefer. After you make your selection, the site will refresh, and prices across the site should now display in your chosen currency for most listings. If you don't see a currency selector where you'd expect it, it may be because your region or the specific site version is enforcing a default. In that case, look for a country or site menu instead, often shown as a flag icon or something like Country and Currency. Open that menu and switch the country first. Updating the country typically brings along the matching currency, and you'll see the site reload to reflect the new setting. A few quick tips to keep things clear. The desktop site tends to make these controls easiest to find, which is why it's the recommended method. After switching, scan a couple of property pages to confirm the new currency is showing consistently. Most of the time, your selection will stick as you browse, and it may be remembered the next time you visit from the same device. If you move to a different device or browser, you might need to set it again. Also, remember that final totals at checkout can reflect taxes and fees based on the property's location, so the numbers may adjust slightly even though the currency itself stays consistent. That's all there is to it. Go to Hotels.com, find the currency or flag at the top, click to open the list, select your preferred currency, and, if necessary, change the country first to unlock the right options. Once you've done that, you'll be able to compare prices and book with confidence in the currency that makes the most sense to you.